Hi, my name is Hani. I'm from Phillips Chevrolet. And this is Don. And this is Sandy. Don and Sandy bought a 2013 Malibu from me, LTZ, with a 2.0 turbo. And they're going to tell us about their experience.
I love the car very much. I love the power it's got. And especially I love my wheels.
And Phillips Chevrolet is our family Chevrolet dealer. This is where we bought our last car. This is where we're buying our next car. And this is where we bought our car today. We're very happy. Hani and Mike and everyone we dealt with was just terrific. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.